What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are finally gonna fire this bad boy up. We've had a few issues, which I'll get into in a minute, but pretty much the car's ready to fire, so let's do it. Alright, boys, we robbed this coupler here of another kit. So should work. And guys, if you did not catch the video, we did do the mass air conversion on this car. If you think you might want to do that, go check the video out. Pretty straightforward to do. So clearly we're not going to have a filter because we don't have that adapter, but I mean, for sitting right here, I think it'll be just fine. See the distributor's in, kind of just got it sitting. That should be real close.
Hopefully.
Put some,
you know what I mean, huh?
Hook the battery up. We did check the oil. She's got oil. And you see the belt is on.
I primed oil already.
Oil pump primed, so all the lifters are pumped up. Shouldn't be too noisy. Now, is there exhaust on? You put that X pipe? Okay. Yeah, it does have the X pipe on it.
X pipe, and I'll put some flow masters on it.
Oh, sweet. So, you see everything pretty much there. Look at that. New battery cables. I forgot you put those on there.
Oh, yeah, another one's down.
The other ones, guys, literally had like a drywall screw in there trying to make it tighten up. All right, we got a couple more things to wrap up, y'all, and see what we can do with this thing. All right, real quick, guys, we're gonna prime the fuel system. You always want to do this on a fresh, you know, like on a first fire. Anytime you've had the fuel system apart, just make sure you're not leaking anywhere. And here's the pump running. Don't see any leaks. Let me check this out. You check down there too. No leaks. And yeah, let her rip. Oh, almost. Close. All right, boy, that was take one. Everything's pretty good so far. We're gonna check the timing here. Pull her back just a little bit, see what happens. Yeah, I'd like that a little better. Yeah. You can go back? Turn it like I turned it. All right. All right, boys, pull the timing back a little more. Still not wanting to stay running. Well, now we need to go back the other way. A little farther. Yeah, why not?
Let's see what it's gathering.
It looks like it's probably 15, 16 degrees, but we're just trying to get her running at the moment, guys. We'll fine tune it out. in it too. We got an exhaust leak from somewhere. Gotta nail it down. See if we can track down this exhaust leak. Everything seems tight. Huh.
Yeah, it's around that.
Around that collector right there?
Yeah.
Need to tighten it down some more, you reckon?
I guess so.
Alright.
Looks like it's leaking a little bit too.
I was gonna say, I could kind of hear it on
Both sides.
Yeah, both sides. It was picking it up pretty
It's
good.
damn annoying, huh?
Yeah. Not too bad, boys. Sounds good. GFS stage 1 hits pretty good. All right, guys, we're gonna get this timing set and keep pulling with these exhaust leaks. Put it on 10, or did you go up a little bit? 14? We definitely need to put some 93 in there. Kind of idle now. Sounds a lot more healthy, but yeah, we're still need to pull with those exhaust leaks. But other than that, guys, it's running. Alright, guys, see what the water is not doing on yep, that cylinder is dead as a doornail. Now the water is just sitting on it. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna need to address that too. Alright, boys, we're gonna
get a small screw.
Yeah, I'm gonna check spark on this cylinder. See why we're not
We'll
getting.
do it the old school way. Huh?
Yeah, old school.
You get no tools here.
Interesting. Yes, you've got a little spark, right?
Felt good. Felt good.
That's odd. Maybe the pores. Maybe.
Off, we'll pull plug. Bridge seal, no?
Jeez, yeah. I think it just totally fouled it out. That's odd. All right, guys. So we pulled out number 1 plug also, and as you can see, it's pretty gassy too. So just gonna let everything kind of dry out and clean those plugs back up and give her another shot. Probably put some fresh gas in it. Timing's good. Just kind of need to let everything start jiving, learning, figuring things out. A lot's happened under this hood, so it's just gonna take a few minutes. All right, boys, first order of business, we're gonna ohm out this injector, make sure we're getting
I'm gonna get power to it first.
getting power to it.
See if we get anything here.
Okay, so yeah, we got the Noid light on it, then we'll ohm it out if we're not getting. We got power to the injector. And again, guys, these are brand new 24-pound injectors. And if you're chasing a misfire, like I said, you've already seen us check for spark, which we had great spark. No issues there. We're still missing swap plugs, spark plugs.
Say it's good, 15.7.
14.7. So the injector ohms out good. So why are we missing on this cylinder? So next on the list, guys, let me recap real quick. We've got spark and fuel to the cylinder, and we're still misfiring pretty good. We got voltage and everything at the injector. We've got really strong spark, and now we're doing a little smoke testing. I mean, we need to do it anyway. Possibly could be sucking air somewhere, but
Yeah, don't hurt to check.
Alright guys, looks like we might have found a little bit of a leak. Yeah. Oh, that's the header. Right there's our exhaust leak. Big time at the collector. How's that collector?
Looks alright.
Yeah, it's leaking big time on this one. Let me get the light so you guys can see that. I don't see that causing a misfire though. Yeah.
That's off another collector.
Mm-hmm. Alright boys, so we still have no answers on why we're not getting fire. Well, we've got a misfire at the cylinder. Next order of business, we'll pull the upper plenum off and flow test the injectors and take the valve cover off and make sure we don't have some sort of valve issue, valve seat issue. Something's clearly going on when you got fuel and spark and everything else and you're still misfiring. Alright, let's see what we got here, boys.
That's spraying pretty good, huh? Good as the other ones, huh?
Yeah. You can see them spraying, guys, and then you watch these, and as long as these are the same, they're all
Close enough there, huh?
well. At least we know. Alright guys, so didn't see anything visually, just went ahead and readjusted the rockers. But again, you know, springs, everything looks good. All the movement was good. But still a little bit perplexed. One quick note, guys, before we fire it up, we are going to go ahead and swap the fuel filter and drain the old gas out of it, just because.
We forgot how shitty it smells.
Yeah, the gas does stink. One other note, yes, the timing is set, so everything is good with that. So we're going to swap the fuel filter, drain the gas out, put fresh gas in it, then we'll fire it up, see what we got. Alright boys, so we just swapped to another A9L just for the heck of it. So we did swap the PCM. Alright boys, last thing we're going to do for the day, because we've been fooling this thing forever, and it's starting to aggravate us, we're going to swap the distributor out. Alright, last ditch effort. Distributor's in, we'll set the timing. If that doesn't do it, then we're done for the day. What is it? Put it in your pocket.
Set it right there.
Oh. All right, boys. So we're gonna call it a day and come back with a fresh set of eyes tomorrow and just see if we can figure out what happened, what's going on. But as you can clearly see, from the distributor to the PCM to everything in between, we've swapped, and we're still getting random misfires. And but you've seen through the video, we've gone through pretty much everything. So we are a little bit perplexed, but I promise I will have an update for you as soon as we get it figured out. So drop me a comment below if you got any ideas. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will get it figured out. Promise.